Verse 2, he says, give up your thirst for aggrandizing wealth. Create in your mind the thought of reality, not craving. Say, give up the thirst, and I use the technical word here, vegam. So desire is not a problem. What is the problem is that force, that vegam you have. That wanting, that craving. Whether it is Black Friday or White Sunday or Blue Monday or Yellow Wednesday, that's not the point. The point is, do you need it? How the world lures you inside that. And you find you keep on accumulating things, and that corrupts your mind. The world is going to offer you whatever you want. Don't blame the world. What is the meaning of Lord Ganesha? Have you ever thought about it? Why does the rat signify desire? Why is Christ looking up? Why is Lord Shiva, his eyes half open, half closed? Why is a snake around his neck? Will you have a snake around your neck and go everywhere? The rat signifies desire because the rat is the only creature who has a habit of collecting things from everywhere, storing and hoarding and forgetting. This is the human tendency. How many clothes do you require? The tendency of human beings is, you will wear only those 6 clothes. No, this is my favorite. Whatever happens, you'll open the cupboard. You will see so many things. Ultimately, you'll pick up the same things. Why? Because inwardly, there is something inside you which is telling you, guiding you, simplify your life. Don't complicate. So, the scriptures are not against you aggrandizing. You can aggrandize whatever you like. But are you happy is the question.